Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing these DIY lash clusters, but let's go ahead and get right into this. So I have already reviewed one side of these, and this is the second video that I told you guys I'd be making of these on the other set. So last time I applied these. If you want to check that video out, it is in my lash playlist. So I did these. Today I'm going to be doing the top ones, but let's go ahead and get right into this. So I'll be doing 3 16, 3 14s, and then 2 12s. We'll see how that goes. I may do less or more just depending. So this kit does come with the tweezers, lash remover, and bond and seal. And then of course these two different sets of lashes. So I'm going to start off by putting the bond, which is this side right here, all over my lashes. And I like to kind of brush this towards the base of my lashes, not necessarily like all the way through. Just like that. And then I'm going to grab the lashes with the tweezers, make sure they're cleaned off because I did already apply lashes using these. And I like to pull off whatever lashes I'm using. So I'm going to be using 3 of the 16. So I just go up underneath it and pull up. And they come off with no problems. Then I'm going to take the bond and I'm just going to slightly put it on top. And I will be gluing these from underneath, which I'll show you how to do that. So what I like to do, okay, it kind of got stuck to my bottom lashes. So let me go ahead and pull that apart. Now the lash set did not last me very long, but it was because my eyes were really watery because of a product that I used. And so they did lift pretty fast. So I don't like the way that one's positioned. And when applying them, you don't want to apply it directly to your lash line because it'll poke it. So that's why I'm keep reapplying it. I'm going to go slightly above that, like right there. That's a little too high. So as you can see, I didn't apply it like directly onto the lash line because I don't want it to poke. So I go a little bit above. And now we're going to do the 14s. I'm going to start out with 2 and see how far that takes me before I start taking out all 3. So just like that, and I probably don't have to add another one. So it's 3 16 and 2 14. I think these lashes are wider than the ones at the bottom. You can see they're kind of a little longer that way. So that's why it didn't hold as much. So as you can see, this is the before, this is the after. And then once it's kind of like tacky, you can go through and you go like this, and then you pinch them down onto your regular lashes, and that'll just allow them to last a lot longer without having to take them off. So let me go ahead and show you. This is what they look like on. You can see they're very nice. It does come with this spoolie that you can brush them with. Just keep them nice and clean. That's from the side. So these are very pretty. I actually like this set better than I liked the first set that I did. I thought the first set was going to be more natural, but these ones are a lot more wispy. The other ones were kind of straight. So I just think that these ones blend a lot better. which is what I want in a lash. I want it to be able to blend very well. And that's exactly what these are doing. But let me go ahead. I'm going to apply this eye off camera. I'm going to show you what it looks like once I'm done. Okay, so this is what the lashes look like completed. They are so pretty. And as you can see, I'm not really wearing any makeup. My hair is just air dried. But normally, like once I fix myself up, like I just put some foundation. I really don't have to put on a lot of eyeshadow because they just make your eyes pop, and I absolutely love this. I do clean them like once every few days. I just get some soap, you spray it on, some lash clean soap, and it comes with like a little, almost looks like an eyeshadow brush that you kind of scrub them, rinse them off. I don't think the glue is like the best for getting wet because on the last set my eye was running and they did fall off, but they did not deteriorate, because sometimes I'll get a lash and it's absolutely beautiful, and then as soon as I like take a shower or something, they like literally like fall into pieces. It's snowing. Yeah, so I love these. These are so pretty. I will be linking them down in the description box below if you guys want to check them out. I do recommend, like I said, do not go all the way against the line when applying them so that they don't irritate your eyes, and they will last up to 2 weeks. The last ones lasted right around a week. Normally I can get them to last 2 weeks, but like I said, they were falling off last night, so I just pulled them off and got some, you get oil, which it did come with this oil, which I didn't use. A lot of the oil, as you can see, did leak out, but that's what they look like. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.